So sometimes we have too many tasks in our Todoist app, okay, and reading all of them and moving them to the right dates and applying the correct labels. It's a chore, okay. Like if especially you have a habit of adding too many tasks, okay, something you want to read, some random newsletters you're subscribed but you can't read immediately, etc. Lots of things could be there, and if you just want to make sure nothing is missed, you will create tasks for it, and lots of tasks will keep on getting smoothed. However, to manage all these tasks, it becomes very overwhelming even if you are using the best of the best types. So now, what we need to do is like we need to plan better. So to plan things better, I created a Chrome extension for myself that fits better with my workflow, and so this Chrome extension allows me to move from one task to another with very ease. So if we click on start planning, it will fetch all the tasks from the Todoist which I'm supposed to do today, and it will show me flashcard based UI one where I can see only one task, for example, which I'm supposed to perform every day, and it's scheduled for today. And it's a recurring task related to my education project. So now, what I can quickly just change the date. I can assign some urgency to it, like whether I need to do it today or later. Like based on that, I can assign all this. The meaning for urgent now for me is something that I need to pick in the next 2 hours. Urgent today is something before going to bed I need to wrap up. Urgent soon is something that I need to wrap up in the next 3 days. And as that date approaches, it will shift to urgent today and it should shift to urgent now. That will be so every day when I plan, the labels will change, and there is a script by which the time is automatically managed by the system for me. So another labels that we can see here is the pressure labels. Pressure labels basically are currently are classified into two types: high pressure, low pressure. High pressure is something that like at work, your manager basically says like something that is needed very urgently because some XYZ folk might be waiting or something that is needed on a extreme highest priority. So you have to park everything else and. Or something that related to a medical emergency that needs immediate attention. Similarly, like if there are some bills that you need to pay on time, all those can also add to pressure. If missed, then there will be a penalty. So all those things, like if there are consequences for missing the task, there will be a pressure. So that pressure I classify in high or low for now. Next, there is a section of duration. So I estimate roughly how much time I will take to finish that particular task. And yeah, so this task I will be smoothing to tomorrow because I don't have enough time for it today, and something that will be that I plan to do in the near future. So I'll apply the correct urgency level and update the task. So earlier we saw that I moved the task via the planner. Now, based on the labels, I also want to get notifications, and for getting the notifications at the right time, basically we need the time to be updated every say hour. Something ad hoc comes in the current hour, everything in the current hour needs to be moved to the next hour. So it becomes a chore to update the time to see the right notifications at the right time. So that's why I have a script to take care of the time component. So based on the labels, all the tasks are basically uh, ranked, and I have an algorithm to even break the any tiebreakers if there are any. And so that script I have hosted on Google App Script. So based on these labels, it will sort all the tasks that I'm supposed to do today, and it will fire an email for me, and also update the time component of these tasks where I am reminded about. So earlier we saw that I had a app script which ranked the task. So this is how the mail looks like, and the total time of task. Currently I'm not planned waiting. So you can see I have total 61 hours of work for today, which is practically not possible. So I need to make it practical, for which I'll have to do a replanning. And usually I plan twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Okay, so just to make sure if something that was cannot be done in the evening and night, I snooze it back to the another day. Yeah, so this is it. And apart from sending this email, I also get notifications from the app as well as on my smartwatch on the task. So because every hour the script will update the time, and I've also uh, shared made this project open source, so you can check the code over here. If your workflow is different, your labels are different, then you can basically use the script to modify as per your workflow. The script that I've used is also part of this, and the Chrome extension is also